You're welcome to Ask Daniel Fix. In today's video, I'm going to simply show you how to fix ad payment method not showing on Roblox. So I was actually getting some feedback from my subscribers who are actually complaining that they are not seeing the ad payment method on their Roblox accounts. Whereas some actually said that they are seeing spending on their Roblox account instead of ad payment method. So in this video, I'm going to simply show you what you can actually do if you are not seeing the ad payment method on your Roblox account. So if you go to your Roblox account on your app like this, make sure you are using the latest version of the app. You can simply go to your Play Store or App Store like this and search for Roblox, then install it on your device, then go ahead and click on play in order to open the app. So once you're on the app like this, if you click on the three-line icon at the top right corner like this, and then scroll and click on settings, you can see setting right here. If you click on settings like this, you are going to be able to see this option of payment methods. If you click on that like this, here you can see saved payment method. Looking here, you can see do not have any saved payment method. So in order for you to actually see that option of add payment method, because right here you cannot actually add the payment method, neither can you remove any payment method from this app version. So what you can simply do is to go to your browser. You can actually go to your Chrome or Firefox and search for roblox.com/home, just a smile like this, roblox.com/home. So once you do that, you'd be able to log into your own account. You can actually use your Gmail to log into your account. Just make sure it is the same account that you are using also on your app version. So once you are on your account like this on the web version, this is what you can simply do. Go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner like this. You can see the gear icon right there. If you click on the gear icon, you'll be able to see the option of settings. So now if you click on settings like this, you're going to be able to see settings right here. You can see account information. So I'm going to simply go ahead and click on that account information, then scroll and click on payment methods. You can see the option of payment methods right here. So clicking on payment methods like this, now you can now see the option of add payment method. So looking right here, you can see the option of add payment method. So if you are looking at your account settings and the only thing you are seeing is spending, it is actually normal. That section is strictly for viewing your purchase and transaction history. So you should actually take note of that. For those that are seeing spending on their own, it is actually normal. You can actually click on it in order for you to be able to see the purchase and transaction history. But if you want to add payment method, this is what you can simply do. Click on payment method like this. Looking right here, you can see add now. So if you click on the add button like this, it is actually going to load up like this. Looking right here, you can see the option of adding the payment method card. You can see the card number, the expiring date, security. You just need to fill in this information, input your full name, your country or region, your address line. Now at the bottom, you can see save. So you can simply go ahead and click on save and it is going to be saved. So this is how simple it is for you to fix add payment method not showing on Roblox. Hope you found this guide helpful. Hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.